Guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our newest videos.
Hey guys, FuroCubing's back again, and today we are going to review this Lan Lan Curvy Copter Black. So I've bought this from Cube Lelo and is quite reasonably priced. I've seen it's below 1,000 as it should be because this is not that big a cube, and I've opened it a few times and it's not that complicated either. So as compared to a normal 3x3, this is like about the same size. It's a tad bit bigger, and otherwise it's nice to hold. The edges are a little sharp. I mean, they're a little pointy, but it's alright, you get used to it. So the movement in this cube is quite odd because the only thing that move are the edges. So it takes a little bit of time to get used to that. And except for that, it's also a shapeshifter. Not many people realize that it's a shapeshifter. But often there are times when accidentally you do a move like this or something, and then you realize that it's a shapeshifter. And if you do this by mistake, then it's actually quite difficult to get it back into shape. And the cube might also go wrong and it'll never get solved again unless it is fixed properly. So that's a problem. But otherwise, I think it's a pretty decent cube. It's very hard to solve, but cubers like it that way. So we don't really need speed in this cube, but I think it's quite smooth. When I got the cube from Cube Lelo, it was not that smooth, it was a little rough, but I think now that it's been used for a bit, like a day or so, it's quite smooth now. And the corner cutting may be a problem because there are times when even with little bit of misalignment, the pieces refuse to move, and in these parts where the pieces are very sharp, the pieces just tend to get stuck. So that becomes a problem. So it doesn't move at all. We have to align the pieces very carefully while moving. Also, if we do the cube in a hurry, there's a very thick chance that we might land up jumbling the cube, as I said, like this. So that will be a problem again. The colors of the cube, I think, are decent. They're the usual colors. It's the blue this blue is used in most of the cubes. All these shades are used in most of the cubes. It's not really bright or vibrant, but it's okay. It's good to see. It's not really bad. And other than that, I'll say the stickers are good enough. They haven't come off yet. There was this time when a sticker was very close to coming off, but we have to take care of the cube in order to keep it in top condition. The stickers, if you see very carefully, are a little rough cut. They're not exactly smooth on the edges, but it's alright. It's not that much of a difference. So that's it for the Lan Lan Curvy Copter Cube.
Guys, if you liked our video, click the thumbs up below. Also be sure to press the bell icon to get the new notifications of our newest videos.
नीचे एक ऐसा लाल सब्सक्राइब का बटन मिलेगा, जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना.